Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be super exciting because I am doing an unboxing of a PR package from Urban Decay. When I first received this, you guys, I was like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my god, Urban Decay sent me this huge PR package. First of all, my dad was the one that received it and actually posted something on my Instagram story. This whole thing happened through like text. He literally was like, you got a package, and it was a big box. And then I was like, well, Dad, please open it. And he's like, no, I'm not gonna tell you till you come back home. And I forgot, or I think I was going to LA actually. And he texted me back a picture of the cherry, and he's like, you got a big cherry. And I was like, oh my god, like it was awesome. So this is the cherry from Urban Decay. They sent out PR packages in this huge cherry, which is super cute. There are a lot of goodies that I actually haven't tried. I will show you guys on camera, so pretty much you'll get like my honest review and what I think about the products. So I'll be using everything that's in here. I already took a look, so let me just open it. I don't want to pop this thing off. So this is what's in here. Again, I haven't opened it, so it still has like the clear packaging on there. So it looks like there is the Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette, and then there's a highlight and blush palette, and there's a couple of lipsticks. It looks like there's 3 lipsticks, a all-nighter cherry scented long-lasting makeup setting spray, and then we have 2 eyeliner pencils. So that's what's in here. Let me just show you a little bit close up so that you can see. So yeah, I actually had this cherry sitting in my bookshelf because I thought it was super cute. I'm probably gonna keep it just because it's like the biggest Urban Decay package that I've gotten. That was like so, I wasn't expecting it at all. I was just like, oh my god, I got a freaking PR package from Urban Decay. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I already have foundation and a little bit of bronzer and highlighter because I did film like a live video. So excuse if you see a little bit of glitter, is because I did like a glittery eyeshadow look. So I wanted to film as much as possible, and here I am filming this PR unboxing from Urban Decay. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna open package, and we'll go ahead and start with the Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette. And just gonna take it out. I love the packaging, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like, and I love that it has like the little cherries in the background. I think that's super cute. If you see the reflection, that's just my ring light, but I love that. Let me go ahead and open it. And of course it has a mirror here, and it has all of the eyeshadows with a brush, like the classic Naked palette, and it's kind of like a clear plastic material, and it has the Naked Cherry on there. This is the fluffy brush, and then you have the smudger brush right here. So we have 3 lippies, and let's see. So they all look like this. So you have 3 lipsticks. The names of them are Devilish, which is a metallized, Juicy, which is another metallized, and Cherry, which is cream. So there's like 2 that seem to look like metallic, maybe shimmery, and then the other one is just a creamy shade, which is the cherry one. So let me swatch these for you guys so you guys can see. So those are the 3 that were in the package. Next, we'll go ahead and open the Urban Decay Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette. And then this is not like the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is more of like an acrylic, plastic, shiny outside. And this is more of like a cardboard feel. So it's paper. So that's the front and that's the back, going with the cherry theme. It does have a mirror, so that's nice. And then you have your highlighter, your blush, and I guess that's like another highlighter. So it's 2 highlighters, these 2 highlighters and a blush. All-nighter cherry scented long-lasting setting spray. So that's a nice size for traveling. I think this is, let's see, how many ounces? 1 fluid ounce. So this is perfect for traveling. You are allowed to take, I think, up to 3 fluid ounces. So this is perfect. I will try this on later. Last but not least, we have 2 eyeliners. And let's see, one is Black Market and the other one is Love Drug. So the Love Drug one is like a plum purple shade right here, which is a glide on eye pencil. And then the other one is called Black Market. Yeah, like it's a little bit more metallic. It's not as matte black. but that is black market right there. So that was what was in the PR packaging, and now I'm going to play with some of the items. As you can see, there's nothing left in here. This is just like paper filling, and then there's like a cardboard thing which provides, like, I guess fills up this bottom half of a cherry. So I'll probably be throwing that away, and then I'll have like a huge space for things. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I'm definitely keeping the cherry because I don't know, I think it's so cute, and like it's a great memory that I got like a huge PR package. I'm gonna use this eyeliner, which is in Love Drug, and I'm going to use that on my waterline on the bottom, not on the top. I have extensions, so I'm probably not gonna be applying any mascara. On the bottom I will, so I'll just apply this liner to start. Now let me go ahead and go into the actual palette. I did take off my eyeshadow base and everything, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer on my eye so that I can have a base, because I did have to take that off. I'm gonna use Hot Spot. Just apply that all over the lid, also going up towards the brow, like the brow bone area. So as you can see, it definitely has a lot of pigment, and it kind of set that eye area and prepared it for the rest of the shadows. And dip it into, let's see, Ambitious right here, and I'm just going to apply that on my crease. This is such a pretty shade. Then I'm gonna use the smudger brush and dip into Drunk Dial, which is this one right here, and just apply a little bit on the outer corner, like by the crease. So I'm just gonna look down and apply it on here. That's Drunk Dial. I love how pigmented this is, and it's really nice to blend out. Like it doesn't, you know how some eyeshadows it just doesn't blend well? This is really nice. This is blending out really nicely. So as you can see, I'm kind of trying to do like a cut crease, but without actually using more concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with Turn On, which is this shade right here. So it's not as metallic as I wanted it to be. So let's see if I wet the brush a little bit. Spray a little bit on there, and I wet the brush. Hopefully it's a little bit more metallic than what I wanted, or what I want. Yeah, perfect. So I wet the brush, use the cherry setting spray to wet it. Oh, this is really nice. So definitely I would recommend to wet this if you want this similar look. And I'm gonna dip into Privacy, which is this brown shade right here. It's this one right here. And I'm gonna bring that on the bottom as well. Okay, so that's looking really good. I love that wetting the brush with the actual setting spray makes the eyeshadows pop a little bit more, especially that metallic Turn On shade. I feel like it wasn't grabbing at all, just the brush being like dry, like barely anything was coming on my lid. So I had to wet it to really intensify and make it look like, you know, very metallic and shimmery and make it pop. That is really what I was going for. I will wet the brush once again because I'm gonna intensify it a little bit more. I'm gonna go back with Drunk Dial, which is this one right here, and I'm going to wet that, and I'm going to just add a little bit on the top here where I was supposed to cut the crease a little bit, just because, I don't know, I kind of like that look. Like that. I'm gonna do this fluffy brush that I love. Oh, actually, it's Japanesque. I got it at Ulta, I believe. I don't know if I'm right, but yeah. So I'm gonna dip into this blush. Okay, so the blush is really pretty. I feel like it's really pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. And then for the highlighter, so there's two. One is more of like a frosty, icy kind of shade, and then the other one is more of a gold tone. I'm gonna do the gold using my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to, I already had highlighter on, so I'm just gonna apply on top of it. Wow, this is a really nice highlighter. Oh my god, that applied so nicely. Whoa. I'm like shocked. Okay, so I mean, I had a little bit of highlighter, as you can see here, but I mean, you could totally see the difference. Wow, like that looks so nice. Wow. Okay, let me apply. I think I'm gonna apply this one just so you guys can see the difference. You can see. Oh yeah, this is definitely pinky. It has like a pinky vibe. But this is more of like a pink kind of tone. And then you have the gold tone over here. I love this side. Wow, it's so pretty. Again, this is very sheer. So this is juicy. It's really pretty. It's really glossy, very shimmery, very juicy, like the name says. This is a cherry look, so I think I'm gonna do the cherry lipstick because I kind of have to, you know? Darker than I thought, but I like it. It's very grungy. So that is the look, you guys. Wow, I really like how this came out. Very grungy, very like my friend here. We match now for the thumbnail. So that is the look, guys. I definitely love this lipstick. I didn't think that it was gonna come out like this dark, but I actually really like it. It's very grungy. It's very like 90s with this eyeshadow look. We are killing it. It looks cute. It looks cute. Oh, by the way, I did apply mascara on the bottom off camera. And again, I just have extensions that I just got yesterday, so it's super cute. So yeah, thank you so much, Urban Decay, for sending me. Oh my god, wait, I forgot. I almost forgot the all-nighter spray, and this smells like cherries. So let's see. I didn't really smell it when I applied it on the brushes for the eyeshadow, so let's see. I guess I do smell it a little bit, but it's not like overpowering. I'm gonna smell it again. Yeah, I like that it's not like an overpowering scent. It's really nice. My favorite thing is the highlight and blush palette. I think that the blush, it's like very pigmented, so it's probably gonna last forever. And this highlighter is like, wow, I'm super, super in love with it. This one's nice too, but again, this is my favorite. Like love, love, love. I was literally so impressed with that. I love the spray. I love that it's not like burning or I don't know, it just doesn't feel like bad on the skin. It feels really nice. And I also like that it's scented, but it's not like overpowering. I also love this lipstick. I think it's so creamy. It applied really nicely and it has a little bit of a shine, so it's not like a matte lipstick. It's really creamy, it's really nice. The color is really nice, the pigmentation is really nice. The eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna say that it's nice, but I feel like some of the shades could have been a little bit more pigmented so that they were easier to work with. But there's a solution around that, which I used the setting spray on, for example, Turn On, which made me achieve this look. So I mean, you could just work around it, but by itself, like if you're traveling and you don't have a setting spray, then that might be a problem. The metallic shades as well, I wasn't really too impressed with. I mean, it might be nice for like a topper, but I really like this cherry one. I feel like it's really nice for fall. It could even work for like Halloween. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, for sending me this. One of my first eyeshadow palettes that I ever actually had was from Urban Decay, and I actually stole that from my mom. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put all my information down below. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next. Bye!